The value of x if 2a plus 3b the whole square minus 2a minus 3b the whole square equal to 6abx is, first of all, this is the form a plus b whole square. This is a minus b whole square. Let's imagine how that works. I'm going to write it as p plus q whole square minus p minus q whole square, because there's already a b sitting here. I don't want to confuse this. And so this is p square plus q square plus 2pq minus p square plus q square minus 2pq. Therefore, this and this will disappear, this and this will disappear. It will be 4pq. Now let's reimagine this. 2a plus 3b the whole square minus 2a minus 3b the whole square will be 4 into 2a into 3b. 4pq. The 2a the whole square, 3b the whole square terms will get cancelled out. 2 into 2a into 3b, 2 into 2a into 3b, that will remain. This will be minus, so minus of minus will become plus. That's what we're doing here. We've seen how that works here. So the difference is 4 into 2 into 3, 24ab. It is given to be 6abx, or x is 24 by 6, which is 4.